car look okay? It feels like everything is loose. It feels super like everything is making noise and it's loose. Guys, the car is ruined. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus, nothing bad happened. We're about to jump onto the main road. So it's pretty much only the fender, I think. This freaking sucks, but at least I'm good. Thank you, Jesus, we're safe. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's okay. It's really not that bad. It's really not that bad. So we are having all kinds of problems with this car right now. So first, the wheel fell off.
Okay. We're in a rush.
Yeah. Now we're having problems with the car going into second. So we'll see how it goes.
Stressful times.
Yeah, but
nah, it's okay. Did it go in the second that time?
I felt like it went into second when I was going down the street.
It just wasn't going in the second after. No. It's like after the wheel fell off the car. It's like I don't want to do it anymore.
Like this. Yeah.
It's going in a second?
It's not going in a second, popping out a gear.
It's going in a second, but it's just popping out.
Popping out a gear. Oh, this freaking sucks.
Just load it. Let's just load it and then get the bleeder at the AutoZone right next to it.
No, because I don't know if that's all it needs, honestly.
You guys want to get down on it, huh? But you're saying like even after you do that, you still don't know.
Yeah, like I don't want to just call it a night, take it to the track, and then there's trouble all day. And it sounds like it's misfiring.
But you guys are gonna bring it though. You guys gotta bring it. Bro, last time, you guys gotta bring it.
Okay, after...
Damn, that looks mean, dude. That looks mean.
This is what we had came up with, guys. We bled the clutch. It's good now. Christine took off the fender. The RPF ones are on here just to transport it onto the trailer because it's too wide. So she's loading up her fronts in the rear of her car now, so that way she can put them on when we get to the track. There's still minor things that we probably need to figure out, but we're just gonna send it. We're just gonna send it. We're just gonna go to the track and send it.
Don't damage it more. Don't damage it more.
It looks like we're taking this car to the junkyard. Okay, this is the plan. Ready? You're gonna reverse your car, do a U-turn. I'm gonna pull the truck as far forward as I can, and you're gonna stop in the back of the U-Haul, and you're gonna turn the car off so that way we don't wake up the neighbors more than we need to. Okay?
Damn, I should have.
Got it.
Sleep when you told me I could. Damn, this looks like ass. No, just kidding. Damn, it's like 75 o'clock right now. That's it. Left, left a little bit. Straight, straight. Left, 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 left. Left. Straight, 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 straight. Left. Left. Stop, 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 stop. Turning that way. Keep the door. Okay, come. Like that. Come. Yep. Keep coming. Turn your wheel a little bit that way. No, the other way. Straight. Back that way. Yeah. Come. Come. Yeah, you got it. Huh? My freaking steering wheel got super loose and this freaking came off. I feel weird.
It looks good.
It looks good, but I feel like, yeah, I think it's because there's play, so I feel like it was locking up or something.
Yeah, boy. Damn, that looks sick. Where you got that shift knob from, bro? Dude, it's smoky in your car. Fat clouds, bro.
Fat clouds? No, it's vaping.
Oh, sorry. Bradley finally came, so he's prepping his car. About to get it done. Bradley did a lot of work actually to his car. Even though it looks the same, he did a lot of work. He got his brand new seat in. Oh, it's a suede seat. Cherry. I cannot fit.
No, that's as far as it can go front, but I gotta drive with my toes.
For real? Yeah. So Christine's car started misfiring, so to be safe, we're gonna go ahead and change the plugs first. Hopefully that solves the issue. We realized we never changed the plugs when we got the engine, which is something that you should do. So we're gonna go ahead and switch them out real quick before she actually goes out there for the first time. Just because we don't want to damage the engine. Even though these things are super tough, we want to do as much preventive maintenance as possible. So Christine's changing the plugs right now, and then she's gonna test drive it and see how she feels about it. Oh, that's not super bad, but yeah, it could be used to change.
What happened?
We're gonna do the plugs now.
Do you see that?
Yeah, dude, you're doing good.
The second one was good. The first one I tried to flick it. You know when you go like this?
Yeah, I saw that.
But I understeered.
Oversteered.
Or oversteered.
You did it, bottle
The
flip.
second one though, I almost did it, bro. Almost I went like.
That's good. You're getting ballsy now, bro.
Oh my God.
How was it, Matt? How was your first drifting experience?
Super sick.
Yeah? Cherry.
Wow, dude.
I feel like you need to flick it harder when you go.
That was fun though, bro.
Yeah, this course is good to learn like hand controls or steering.
This turn is so fun because it's so easy.
Told you.
Because you don't really need to know how to drift.
You just have to
that
just
turn.
push
You
the gas,
push
yeah.
The gas and just,
It's like minor adjustments,
yeah.
yeah.
It's minor. I'm just.
Start it up, let's hear it. Yeah, but you're gonna drive around first though, no? She's gonna start it up and we're gonna see if it fixes the issue. Just try driving, let me hear it. It sounds better, but
21, 22,
yay! Her mommy's gonna go.
53,
Something's wrong. Bookmark this part right here because then we're gonna put it on the video in the future when the kit flies off.
It's not gonna fly off.
What happened out there? Your bumpers and stuff fell off? Just do a donut around here. Let me see it. Okay. The front needs to come down. You gonna try it again? It's like hopping. Okay guys, so we got the trailer all loaded up. We stopped at Walmart to grab some things, but Christine's car, unfortunately, I think it has no spark or something, but it definitely has fuel, but it doesn't turn over. So we have to look at that, but luckily we have the trailer, so it's not a big deal. We can still get home. Was it good?
Yeah.
Today was good, huh?
It was good. It was, I didn't realize how big of a learning curve it was going to be to transfer cars, but I'm pretty excited with how it turned out.
Yeah, okay. So we'll check you guys at home.
Good job, babe.
We did it.
That was
Missions
good.
all day. Missions all day.